Hi Suma, you are here, you're coming from India to Austria, and you held a talk about visualized blogging.
Yes.
You run a blog containing almost only out of visualized blog posts.
Yes.
So how did you get to that idea?
I think because I really wanted a successful blog, but I realized that the information that I was talking about was represented in words in many blog posts. And yet I felt that there was a need for people to know more about the subject at hand, but in a way that was clear, effective and attractive. And that was the reason.
And how do people react to your blog?
People are quite attracted to my style of presentation because I think it takes them back to their childhood where things were much more clearer. So when you have a complex idea like, let's say, social media or enterprise microblogging, these are all very complex ideas, but if they're presented in a very simplified fashion, it attracts people, they want to learn, and they want to learn from the best possible source. So that's how it's happened.
Okay. So in Europe, we visualize or we picture India as a giant rising. We know you have a lot of very skilled IT technologians and that you are quite successful in that area.
Yes.
What would you like to add to that picture? What would be a good metaphor for India that we should think about it?
I think India is coming into its own after many decades, and it's about time. It is an outsourcing destination, the way people see it now. Yeah. Industry sees India as a destination to outsource technical work, and this would mean coding, making websites, the technical part of social media, the technical part of the internet. India is good at handling that. And it is good for us because we get to be a part of the internet revolution in that manner. And at the same time, we also need to understand from Europe that how do we interact with social media in a more evolved sense, because the penetration of the internet in India is abysmal compared to Europe. And it's good to come to a conference like this and see people talking on their smartphones, using their iPads. The penetration of these gadgets in India is very low. And so while we are doing a lot of the coding, it's also important that we use the finished product, and better our lives. And I hope that happens very quickly for India.
So, and to change view, how do Indians view Europe? What would be your metaphor for Europe?
I think our metaphor for Europe would be perhaps, as an Indian, I identify more with Europe than the Americas. That's because, of course, we do have a legacy of the British colonialism, and so there is a lot of architecture, British architecture in India. So in terms of the architectural viewpoint, yes, there are a lot of similarities. But at the same time, the way we see Europe is, it's a very evolved society. It is penetrated with technology, and people are leading a very high quality of life there. And that is something that we want to take away from Europe. We want to know how you're using technology. We want to know how you're using it to better your lives, and whether there are any learnings that we can get to better our lives and our civil society using technology.
Thank you, and good luck to you.
Thank you so much.